Have you ever been working on a development project and realized only after the product has been sent to the customer that it was full of bugs and mistakes? Remember the disappointment, embarrassment, and anger you felt when your project manager called your team together to let them know that the customer had called back with a whole list of complaints about features that didn't work. You knew that in theory, all the parts of the product should have worked together flawlessly. Unfortunately, your team ran out of time to do extensive testing and just assumed that everything would work out. Your project manager informed you that it didn't work out after all, and that your team would have to go back into development to fix the numerous issues the customer had with the product. Due to lack of time and proper systems, your team delivered a product to the customer that in essence wasn't finished. The features didn't work together how they were supposed to, and there were inconsistencies in the code. The customer has been patient so far, but the project has now been pushed back even further to allow time for your team to fix the issues. If something isn't done to ensure that the product your team is producing is mistake-free, projects will get pushed back as the team tries to debug already released products, and your team will fall further and further behind. So far, the framework your team works with is focused almost exclusively on development. By making testing that development a more integral part of your team's process, you'll be able to avoid making too many mistakes that compound into bigger issues further down the line.